We bought another car.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Currently Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm currently on my way into work, which kind of changes the plans for the video, but that's okay. I got something sat at my job that will at least let me put a little something out for you guys this week. I purchased a new vehicle from a coworker. It had been sitting at my job for about a year, and I've kind of wanted it the whole time it sat there. So let me get up there and we'll show you what we got. Alright guys, this is what we got. It's a 97 Chevy Silverado 1500. Pretty clean little unit. It does need a fuel pump, that's why it's sat here. So I gotta pull the bed off. And let me know if you guys want to see something like that. Like I said, I don't plan on showing this too much on the channel, but if it's something you guys want to see, maybe a will it run or something. There's just crap everywhere. Plumbing parts. If I never let you guys know that before, I am a plumber. It's pretty clean. My coworker's stuff's still in here, so gotta get that out, but it's going to be the tow pig. It has a little bit of rust just in this cab corner over here. Oh, a little bit. This cab corner needs to be replaced, but I already ordered the new replacement section, so I'm just going to cut it out and weld a new piece in. We're going to do tires, oil change, tune up on it. I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, I've wanted it for quite some time. Unfortunately, I think that's going to be it for this week. Like I said, duty calls and I have to pay my bills. So the garage is coming along. It's still not done. I have to clean it up just a little more. Me and John got the racks up. I'll show you a clip right here of the rack. So we're gonna get all the totes up there, and I'm excited for the room that we're gonna have. I also picked up some of these dollies so we could put the white bug on it for now and just move it around nicely in the garage to give us more room. I appreciate you guys watching. We're getting closer to that 1K mark. I think we're at about 890 now. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let us know down in the comments whether or not you want to see some videos on the new rig. All right guys, we'll see you next time.